So, welcome back in a rainy adventure. Another exploring in the rain. Even if it's rain, we can find something. And now first, I'm gonna find some cave. But this time, I'm not alone. I got my family somewhere back there. It's so muddy, 'cause it's rainy. Look at this green, lush greenery. Such an amazing forest.
Ja nazorno kaže, cel kup okroglih petljac.
It would be better if I had a light, that even you can see anything. But it is interesting. It have a tunnel through. We get on one way, get in, and then we came out on the other side. Oh wow, look at that. It's a system of caves. Whoa, that's something. Look at that. This is big. It's cave after cave after cave. It's all around. Look at that. So that was it, I think, for this cave. Wow, look at this big tree. I think I just got under that hole in the cave, you know, before. But it's so grow up all these plants, so I can't see inside. But it would be nice to see down there in the cave from up. Me and these bushes. And a lot of snails on the path. Now let's go and try to find a meal somewhere near here, this cave, if you could find it. Wow, this, I meant this, you know, We were just down there in that hole. Oh, interesting. Look at that. We were just down there. Danger, danger. Great adventures crossing the unknown place of the forgotten forest. The brave adventurers still wandering around in this forest, asking themselves if they find what are they looking for. Look at this lush greenery and the peace. Can you hear the drops of this rain from trees? Look at this green floor in this forest. Isn't it nice? Still following these signs, but no meal anywhere. Just an amazing forest. Look at this. Oh boy, I love this forest. Look at that. Oh! Did you see a deer? It was a deer. Ooh, I'm all wet. Can you see? Ooh. Yes, I can see the road. End of these bushes and gravel road. Whoa, water. Oh, I just stepped into the water. Yes! Look at that. Gravel. We didn't find a meal, but we go through this forest, you know? We are on the path. Much bigger path in the forest. Remy home meal. So we find this, but where's the meal? You know what could be even worse? It could be it could be pouring down on us. But it's not, look. It's cloudy, but it's not rainy, so that's good. Here is some pet. We find signs of meal, but not a meal. Whoa! You know what I found? Oh, here is a place, scout place. And I hear the stream. There. Wow. I found a stream. Found a stream, but not a meal. Maybe I can get in there to wash my feet. Whoa. Woo. Yes! I'm in the water. I'm wet anyway, so now at least my feet's gonna be clean. The cemetery of unknown soldiers. So now we eat with this beautiful view of this lake. And now we headed forward to some waterfall and then next to our campsite.
Wow, vidiš, fotka v takem slapu je, kaj ne bi šli malo čez prehod?
We find a waterfall. Whoa! Look at that! Oh, it's nice. Cold. Woo-hoo. Look at this! How beautiful is this? We got a bench and beautiful nature with waterfalls. Look at that! More waterfalls behind the trees. Whoa! This is paradise. Wow! So shame that it's not hot. Whoa! Wow! More waterfalls! Woohoo! This is beauty! And these rocks are not slippery. So nice! Look at that! Whee! Ah. Oh, nice! Look at that! Whoa. Now let's go back down. Whoa! Look at this beauty! Just next to this stream is this path. So beautiful, so nice. Should be so nicely cold in a hot days, but today is not one of that. But look at that. Beauty! Look at that, path and the stream. And now even the sun came out. Yay! Table and chairs. Natural. So now let's go back and find our campsite for tonight. So now we finally find the campsite, so let's make a tent. And we made it. Voila, done.